Hey guys, today we're taking a look at the Wemo Wi-Fi Smart 3-Way Light Switch. It's a 2-pack, it should be 3-way compatible, and it should be single pole compatible. Notice how I said should be. So let's take a quick look. This will be my quickest review yet because I could not get the thing to get out of the error mode. So first let's see what it should do. The Wemo itself is a smart Wi-Fi switch. It should control your lights from anywhere as long as you have the app installed on your phone. You should be able to schedule your lights as far as time on, time off. It should work with 3-way switches and single pole switches. And I wanted to use it for single pole switch. For the life of me, cannot get it to work. You can also set it up to do randomized lights to give the impression of someone being home and not a schedule. Now you can also group these light switches together. If you have some in the hallway into the bedroom, den, living room, whatever it is, you can group them so that they turn on and off with your command or turn on and off with your scheduling. Now it should work with Alexa and it should work with Google, and as far as the new thing, which I haven't seen, it should work with the Apple Homekit. Based on the instruction booklet that came with the switch, it should be a breeze to set up. You don't need to be an electrician. All you need is experience replacing a light switch. I do see on the website it does say neutral wire required. I have that set up. The wiring was set up. I looked online. I followed the instructions to the letter. I could not get it to work. Another nightmare was trying to contact customer support. There was basically no support available for this device. So in the end, I couldn't hook it up. It stayed in the error mode, which the light would flash orange or red. I couldn't get it out of that mode, and it would just flicker the lights on and off. So I knew the connections were there. For whatever reason, a hard reset wouldn't do it. Replacing it with the other device in the box wouldn't do it. Now I can't give you a review on the performance of the product because I couldn't get it to work. But what I can give you a review on is the installation. I have replaced light switches before with success, and the booklet itself will have you believe you'll have it up and going in like 5 minutes. I do have experience with replacing light switches, so instead of playing with it even more, I basically chalked it up to no customer support and I returned the product. So if you guys have any questions on this, if you guys can get it to work on a single pole switch, please let me know. If you can even put up your own YouTube video just so I can see what I did wrong. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'm sorry it's short. I just could not get it to work. Hopefully in the next one we have a better review. Thanks a lot, guys.